Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Here you can see in the background some computers are there. So it's my workplace location from where I am recording this video. I was not active on YouTube from last few days because internet is not available in my country Pakistan. It's very bad political situation in our country. Our ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan was arrested, but yesterday he was released on bail for 14 days or for 20 days, I do not remember. But now we are expecting that the situation will be normalized in the next few days. So today is Saturday, May 13, when I am recording this video. It's morning time at my job location. So the topic for today's video is there are a lot of people which are working on YouTube and their end result and motivation and goal is to get channel monetized as soon as possible. And some people are working and their channels are monetized, so their objective is to maximize their number of dollars, their revenue from YouTube. But at the same time, both of them are doing some mistakes which will be very dangerous for our YouTube channels. So in today's video, I am going to discuss with you what are the different mistakes that you are not allowed to do on your channel when you will become a monetized YouTuber. So the first one is when your channel is monetized, so do not play your own channel videos on your own devices. Own devices mean your mobile phone, your laptop, your computer, your tablet, and especially all those devices on which your Gmail account is logged in. Second one is if you are using a Wi-Fi, so do not play videos on those devices which are connected with that Wi-Fi. Mutual Wi-Fi on which your own mobile phone, your device is connected. So mostly in one home there is one Wi-Fi connection and 5 or 6 family members and each have their own mobile phone at least. So before monetization we are playing videos on these 5 or 6 mobile phone to get watch hours. But when our channel is monetized, so do not play videos on these devices, especially to run advertisement to earn money. It's against YouTube policies. YouTube algorithm detect it very easily. The second case is hotspot. For example, you have a mobile phone data, some GBs of internet, and you share your a hotspot connection with your friends, with your family members, and you ask them to play your channel videos on their devices and you are providing the hotspot. It's again YouTube policy, YouTube algorithm detected very easily, so do not do this mistake. This is the second one. The third one is when your channel is monetized, so you are not allowed to share your channel links on different social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so on and so forth. It's a complete background discussion on this topic, that why we are not allowed to share our videos on social media when our channel will become monetized. So inshallah some other day I will upload a detailed video on this topics. Another video is also uploaded few months ago. The link is available in the description as well, I button as well, so you can watch the video and understand that phenomena. This is point number third. Another problem is First point is, do not play your own channel videos on your own devices. Second point is, do not play videos on the mutual Wi-Fi or hotspot. Third one is, do not share your channel links on social media. The fourth one is, let me explain you the point. For example, a channel XYZ is monetized today, but after 3 or 4 or 5 days, the channel is demonetized again. The channel is demonetized because of invalid click activity. What is invalid click activity? In my previous upload, I already explained this phenomena in very detail. So, invalid click activity is watching same videos on same device again and again. It is counting as invalid click activity. It's very basic definition. So, and when the channel is demonetized, so mostly people facing the problem that their Google AdSense account is also disabled, and on some cases restriction of ads problem is noticed in maximum cases. So what is the solution? The solution is, when you will become a new monetized YouTuber, so do not allow monetization on your all videos. Off your monetization for maximum 6 days on all of your videos which are available on your channel. Because when your channel is monetized, so YouTube algorithm observing it very deeply. But when your channel is monetized and it takes few days, so then the things will be stable, things will be normal. This is point number 4. Point 5 is, mostly people asking this question that, for example, they upload a video and on that video they are interested to pin their comment, and for this reason they play the video on their own device and they write the comment, and then it will be pinned easily. So in my first point I asked you, do not play your own channel videos. So what is the difference in these two situations? Because both situations are opposite to each other. The solution of this problem is, when you want to pin your comment, so definitely you can play your video on your mobile phone. But when you start playing video on your mobile phone, so before start playing video, you have to off your monetization of your channel. So then you can play the video and add comment on your video, and then you can pin it, and when you will be pinned, so then you will move back and remove the setting and on your monetization. So these are the 5 common mistakes which people are doing on their channel. So don't do these mistakes if you are working on YouTube. So that's all about from my side. See you soon in some next video. Take very good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Okay, Allah Hafiz.